Welcome to Star Biker. Today we're taking a quick look at the 2026 Honda Unicorn 150, a commuter motorcycle that continues Honda's legacy of reliability, comfort, and everyday practicality. Design and styling. The 2026 Honda Unicorn 150 carries a clean and mature design. Subtle body graphics, a muscular fuel tank, and refined finishes give it a premium commuter appeal while keeping the look simple and timeless. Engine and performance. Powered by a 150 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine, the Unicorn 150 is tuned for smooth power delivery and efficiency. It offers a relaxed riding experience with strong low and mid-range performance, ideal for city traffic and daily commuting. Ride comfort and handling. Comfort remains a key strength of the Unicorn 150. An upright riding posture, well-padded seat, and stable suspension setup ensure fatigue-free rides, even on longer journeys or rough urban roads. Features and technology. The 2026 model comes with essential modern features such as a refined instrument cluster, improved braking confidence, and enhanced fuel efficiency, making it a dependable choice for everyday riders. Mileage and practicality. Known for its excellent mileage, the Honda Unicorn 150 is budget-friendly to run and maintain. Its balance of performance and fuel economy makes it a smart option for daily commuters. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda Unicorn 150 stays true to its core values: comfort, reliability, and efficiency. For riders looking for a no-nonsense commuter with Honda's trusted engineering, this motorcycle continues to be a solid choice.